Welcome. This is in continuation with our data cleaning process using Google Sheets. If you are watching this YouTube channel for the first time, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. More importantly, press the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. In this video, I would like to continue with the process of data cleaning. In the previous video, I've been able to show how you can use the data cleaning options. If you scroll down here, you're going to see the data cleaning options, the cleanup suggestions, remove duplicate, and the trim white space. In addition, I've been able to show you how you can highlight on columns that are irrelevant and you delete them. Towards the end of the previous video, I was able to show you how you can try to filter, use a filter, and also create a pivot table. And that is where we stop. Now, going back to the concept of using a filter in a worksheet, it is important that you highlight on the data in a whole, as a whole. So let me remove the filter symbol here by going to the Insert, the Data tab, and Data tab. I scroll up. I want to remove the filter. So for me to be able to use the Data tab, the filter very well, I need to highlight on the data set cumulatively. So I press the Shift key and scroll to the right. It will have been easy to get to the end just by clicking Shift Control right arrow, but the shortcut key doesn't hold in Google Sheet. So you might need to highlight on it gently by yourself. So I've been able to highlight on the data set. I might need to go up again and do that myself. So I go up again. I try to move to the head just by using the Shift key and the right arrow. You press the Shift key and the right arrow, and also you go down by pressing the down arrow, and once you're done, you can now come to the Data tab and click on Create Filter. Immediately you do that, you can always click on any of the filter, any of the column to see what is there. So you can see that at the gender column, we have the male, the female, and the blanks. And of course, it is important for me to remove any blank rows as well. So let me filter for the blank rows using the first column to make a filter for the blanks. Now I've been able to see the blanks. So I can highlight on the blanks and see what I can do with them. So from the beginning, I will highlight to the end, and I also move to the right using the Shift key. I will right click. I said delete selected rows. So I've been able to delete the selected rows. Don't forget, we deleted unwanted columns the other time. So I can now go back and click on the male and the female. In this case, you can see that we don't have any blank row being empty. our data is making more sense now. We can, by viewing alone, we can see that it's making more sense, and it looks more appealing for analysis rather than the way it has been before. So with this, we can now use our pivot table. We go to Insert, use a pivot table, a new worksheet, and with this you can start your analysis. So you can see the others. Let's say, for instance, now at the row you want to put the gender, you want to see the percentage of male and female, so you also put the same thing as a value, and it comes in form of a count. So we have 32 females and 18 male that responded to the interview. If you don't want the grand total value to be there, you can easily remove it. If you want it to be, you can see the count. If you drop this drop down, you can see an ascending or descending. You can see the sorting, and it did a count for that. And then being it is a numeric column, you can try to look for the average or the max or the mean. So this is how it works, and this is how you can carry out your analysis. If you want this to be the percentage of the grand total, you just click on this and you can see that just like the way it is. So 64% of the respondents are female, while 36% are male. So this is how you can clean up your data and also do your analysis in Microsoft Excel. As you do your analysis, just like in Microsoft Excel, you are doing the same thing in a Google Sheet. You can also insert and put your chart. You can see that happening here. And you start doing your cleaning. You do the cleanup of your chart. It's including the grand total. The chart is including the grand total, and you can easily remove that from this. Just adjust here with the customize, with the setup. You can easily remove that so that it will appear in your chart, and that's easy. So you can make that to even adjust it to 3. Boom. That is A1 to A3. So in the chart, it will only show the male and the female gender. And you can do some other formatting. You can even change the color if you are not well pleased with it. And boom. So that's how the analysis starts. Analysis, visualization. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.